So friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the share which name is Infibeam Avenue, and right now I am going to tell you Infibeam Avenue daily chart what is the technical analysis, and on 30 minutes candle chart what is the technical analysis. So for that reason we have to open the Infibeam Avenue chart of 1 day chart. I am already marked my label. You can see last 2 days after the result, Infibeam revenue from 42 rupees right now 50 rupees, almost 8 rupees has been increased, which we can tell, right? 8 rupees of 40 means 20% already increase. So what will be the strategy for long term chart and on short term chart? First of all, we have to go to long term chart. You see right now the price is 50, which is in between 45 and 51 resistance. So our target will be achieved for when it will cross 51.70. Once it will cross 51.70, then our next target is coming 55 rupees. Okay. But if it is not crossing 51.70 and taking a resistance there, then this zone is coming. This zone is 45.50. Okay, 45.50 is its zone if it is coming down. So on daily chart basis, if it is crossing only 51.70, the target is 61.20. But if it is coming down from there, from 51.70 it is coming down, then the target is 45.50 right now. And in 1 day chart RSI is 72. Okay, not a problem. But if I am opening the 30 minutes chart, that is a problem. What you see in 30 minutes chart, it has taken a resistance today of 50.88, and from there it is coming little bit down, and the RSI also showing from 87 or 88 RSI. Right now RSI is also 82 or 83. So for short term purpose, if it is coming down again, so my first target will be 48.23 or 48.25, and again coming down, then my target will be 44 rupees. Okay, so just remember, like from 1 day chart itself, like if it is coming down in 30 minutes or in 1 day, our target will be somehow near between 43 to 45. But if it is going up, then our target will be 51.70. But why I am telling it is going up, that is a problem. From this 30 minutes chart, you see from 51 zone or 50.95 or 51 zone, it has taken a resistance, and RSI also showing overbought zone. So there is a chance the stock can come down. If the stock will come down, it is a good share, then that time also you can accumulate. Okay, thanks.